We are joined by BRS Working President KTR Garu. Sir, what is your opinion on the NHRC findings about Lagacharla farmers issue?
Well, we have taken the Lagacharla farmers issue all the way to New Delhi. We have complained to NHRC. The women had gone and complained to National Commission for Women and also National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. National Human Rights Commission has made a personal visit onto the ground in Lagacharla, and today they have released a scathing report. The report has clearly said that the police behavior was absolutely atrocious. They have committed assault, they have committed third-degree torture and even molestation. Now, if this government has any sense of shame, any iota of shame for that matter, the government should immediately, the Home Minister, who is the Chief Minister, should resign. But since this Chief Minister is shameless, the least I expect of him is to at least come forward and dismiss those police officers who've committed these atrocities from service. The NHRC also has recommended to CS and DGP to act on this report within 6 weeks. If they do not, and if they continue to dodge and if they continue to mislead, then I will personally file a petition in Supreme Court after 6 weeks about non-compliance, and I will make sure, I will fight till the end, till these policemen who have committed these atrocities are punished and dismissed from service.
Well, on the other hand, Rahul Gandhi has written to the Congress Chief Ministers stating that Rohit Vemula Act, which was promised by the Congress government, should be enacted now, it should be brought into.
Rahul Gandhi, regularly indulges in double speak because, on the one hand he says, Hyderabad Central University में जब भी आपको कोई आफत हो, आप बुलाइए मैं आ जाऊँगा, पर आज तक लापता है क्योंकि यहाँ के बच्चे तो पुकारते रहे जब लाठीचार्ज हो रही थी, उन पे जुल्म हो रहा था, राहुल जी आए नहीं. आज सडनली उनको 2016 वाला इंसिडेंट रोहित वेमुला वाला याद आया कि आपको 2025 वाला इंसिडेंट नहीं नज़र आता. ये राहुल जी आज लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है, जिम्मेदारी से उनको पेश आना चाहिए, उनको आना चाहिए हैदराबाद सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी, यहाँ के छात्रों से बात करना चाहिए और देखना भी चाहिए किस कदर उनकी गवर्नमेंट ने 100 एकड़ यहाँ की जंगल को गिरा डाला, कि कैसे यहाँ के जानवरों को जो वाइल्ड लाइफ थी यहाँ पे उसको बेरहमी से मारा गया. ये सारे चीज़ देखने के बाद अगर राहुल जी कुछ बोलते हैं तो उनका बात का कोई वजूद होगा, वरना तो ये तो ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए बोलने वाली बात हो गई.
Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir. This was the BRS Working President KTR Garu. Camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.